Okay, quick one guys. I am Bolaji Johnson, your coach, and I'm here today to teach you another way to design a fantastic design. Okay, how to create some anniversary design, when it comes to poster, cover page or flyer. And I'm just going to tell you that this class is going to be awesome, and I just want you guys to sit back and relax and watch how I'm able to come up with a beautiful anniversary flyer or poster. Alright, this is a design sent to me and I was asked to recreate it in another form or another dimension that will be more beautiful and okay than this. This design is actually beautiful, but there is another way I'm going to do this and it will look more fantastic than this. Alright, let's go there. Now, the first thing we need to do, since we are coming up with this type of design, though I have gotten all my materials, okay, and so this is a golden background. This is the background I want to use instead of this, and instead of this 15, this is what I'm going to use. Okay, and if you don't know how to trace out a logo, you can check in one of my videos, which is on the YouTube platform. You can check it and learn how to come up with a logo. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to get our size ready, then power click this. Okay, so once that is done, then you zoom in, then bring this in, power click this in. Okay, then the next thing for us to do, the name of the organization. All right, then make sure it is centralized. Okay, then the next thing for us to do is to bring this 15th anniversary. All right, there is a mistake here which I will be correcting in my own design. 15th year anniversary. I think year and anniversary means the same thing, so it's either you use 15-year celebration or 15th year and 15th anniversary. Okay, so I'm using 15th anniversary. All right, then let me cut it off, then power clip it. Okay, then bring this here. All right, okay, adjust it. Okay, then this 15th year, the gold color is shabby, so I need a very sharp one to illustrate and to bring it up more. Okay, so this is it. Just to power click it and then adjust it better. Right, hope you guys are getting it. Okay, then the next thing for us to do is to make sure that it comes out better by adding a shadow under it. Okay, so you go to your shadow tool and do the needful. All right, this is it. Then I can shift this bit a little. All right, so now we need to put in some information though. So what I needed to do here, what I need to do is to bring an arc. Okay, is to bring an arc here and curve it to curve. Okay, then I need to add another layer. Okay, so this will be white. All right, this should be white. I need to bring this up a bit. Okay, all right, so I think this is better. Okay, just to adjust it well. All right, then this will come here. Then I need to overlay this. Go to your transparent view, click on this, then overlay, then adjust it well, balance it up. Okay, all right, then let me add some shade of this color here. All right, then the next thing for us to do is to bring this right up here, bring it there, then the address, the dates, and every other thing would come here. So all you just need to do is to adjust it better. Okay, adjust this better. All right, so this is exactly how to come up with a very fantastic program design or flyer. Okay, you can see the difference. You can see the touch of professionalism in this. Okay, you can compare this. You can compare this with this. So this is the channel that we enhance the ability in you to always come up designing flyers, posters, anything in a professional way. So I hope we all learned one or two things in my class today. God bless you. See you in my next class. I remain Olaji Johnson, and if you are just joining me, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.